Now, let's see the LayerZone. As explained before, the LayerZone works a little bit like the Dropzone. A sound file can be added to a LayerZone from a drag-and-drop files, or to transfer them from the transfer button at the top of the browser. Same as the Dropzone, we can adjust the selection into the LayerZone. I have mentioned for the Dropzone, but it works too. You can adjust the selection holding Alt on Windows and Control on Mac, which allows you to move the selection to the left or right by moving the cursor from the left or right, or by moving the cursor up and down to resize the entire selection. We can hit the button preview to play back the selection for each LayerZone, or just hit the associated letter on the computer keyboard. In this case, the letter A and the letter S. There are many settings available for each LayerZone. We can play with the pitch of the selection, with the panning, and we can adjust the gain for every selection. I will add some sounds, drop here, and here, and make a selection. To place them on the virtual keyboard, we have to hit the button Hasing and choose the key where you want to Hasing it. We can see the color appear on the right side of the Dropzone section. Just a reminder that we can also transfer selection from the Dropzone to the LayerZone. The pitch envelope section is accessible from the right bottom of the layer section. We can adjust each envelope from each file in the layer section. Just hit the On button and adjust as you want. And then, when we play them, we can hear the pitch change with the setting. You can reset all of them if you want another setting. As seen before, the LayerZone can be played from the computer keyboard or from a MIDI keyboard. Let's see and hear here. Letter A, letter S, letter D, and letter F. Each section from the LayerZone can be exported separately. You have to choose the folder, the name, and the extension. We have the choice between WAV, AFF, and FLAC file, and then press Save. We also have access to a clear button to allow us to remove the file and restart. We can also make them loop. And that's it for the layer section.